Hi guys, hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kezia, and in case you are new here, karibu sana, and consider subscribing, liking and sharing my content. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming and watching my videos. Nawapenda nyinyi wote sana. And so guys, onto today's video. As you can see from the title, I'm going to show you guys how to make pizza. Not just pizza, very delicious pizza at home. And so guys, stay tuned as we do this together. So guys, let me just explain everything I'll be using. I'm going to use, of course, all-purpose flour. I'm going to use mozzarella cheese, and here is my meat. I first boiled my meat from here. The meat is already boiled, and so I'll just have to cut them into very small pieces. And I want to make barbecue test meat. I don't know whether I'm making sense, but I'm going to make this meat to test barbecue meat. Also, here is my tomato, onions and dhanias. I'll be preparing them for coating on top of pizza. And I'm going to use olive oil. These three are what I'll be using to make the barbecue sauce. This is molasses, pomegranate molasses, then this is chili, then this is ketchup. I'll be using these three to make the barbecue sauce. And so of course I'll be using salt. I will also using instant yeast. And finally, here's my sugar. And so guys, stay tuned and let's do this. First of all, in your bowl you will put your flour. You can just sieve your flour before putting on a bowl. I already sieved it, then I kept it here. So then I'll add some salt in my bowl. Here I'll add salt, just a little, and also I'll be adding my olive oil. It's very hectic recording while doing the procedure. Also my olive oil, there you go, just a little. Anyway, you can measure if you want. As for me, don't consider measuring, just put a little. And so guys, I'm going to mix the dough and I'll get back to you. Let me just mix this first, then I'll show you how I'll be mixing the instant yeast and some water with the sugar. Okay, so stay tuned. So guys, this is my mixture of warm water, sugar and instant yeast together. I've mixed it, and so I'll be putting a little at a time here as I knead my dough. So guys, stay tuned and let me just finish kneading, then I'll show you the final results. Guys, so I've already mixed the dough and here it is. So I'll just leave it to settle for a while as I'll be cutting my meat into very small pieces and also making the sauce and the coating of the pizza. So stay tuned as I cut the meat. I'll finish, then come back to you guys, show you the way I've cut my meat, and we will proceed together in making the sauce. So stay tuned. So guys, here's my meat. I've already cut my meat. I've removed the parts I'll be using in making the pizza, and here's the remaining one. I don't know what I'll use with this one, but probably I'm going to dispose it. So guys, in my pan I'm going to add olive oil. I'll be using just olive oil in everything, so I'm going to add olive oil. Then I'll be adding my mixture of dhania and cook for a while. So guys, here you go. I'm making my coating. And by the way, your coating, it depends with whatever style you want. You can blend the tomatoes and the onions and prepare the coating, or rather you can just cut into small pieces. Okay, it depends with the taste of your pizza. And so as for me, I decided just to cut into small pieces my tomatoes, my onions and dania. And so I'm preparing the coating. So guys, let me finish preparing it, then you'll see the final look of the coating of this mixture. Okay, so my coating is already ready and I'm going to remove it. Then I'll be making the what? I'll be making my meat. Okay, so guys, just stay tuned. Let me just finish, remove this, then proceed into making my meat for the coating. So stay tuned. Guys, so I'll be making with you my barbecue sauce before I mix with the meat. Okay, so onto my bowl, I'll be add some molasses. Okay, and I'll also add ketchup. I'll add ketchup, as you can see. And also I'll add my chili. Yeah, just a little. It is good to measure if you're not sure of what you're doing. It's good to measure, like if at all. And also it depends with the amount of the meat you want to make, so it will depend. As for me, okay, we can estimate this one is, let's say, 3 spoons of each of the molasses, the ketchup and the chili. And so guys, I'll be mixing it, and onto my pan I'm going again to add olive oil and my meat. I'm going to add my meat. Guys, I did this because, okay, I used just a little few pieces of meat because I'm going to just make a small pancake. Hey, Jesus Christ, because I'm going to make a small pizza, so that's why I'm using just few meat. So yeah, let's do this, guys. So you have to dry fry your meat for a little while. Don't burn it, just dry fry it. Then after dry frying, as for me, I've already dry fried it for some, let's say like 2 to 3 minutes. Then my mixture of molasses, that is the barbecue now, I'll be adding. Guys, so I've already added. Let me just cook until the mixture sticks to each other. Then I'll show you how it looks like. Then we will proceed into making the pizza. So guys, let me just pause the video, then prepare it until the barbecue has stick to the meat very well. Then I'll come back and show you, because it is very hard to record while stirring and cooking and everything. So guys, just stay tuned. I pause the video, then prepare my barbecue, mix them very well, then I'll get back to you when it is ready. Stay tuned. Don't, okay, msiondoke, msibanduke, just stay tuned. Okay, so my meat is ready. This is how it looks like, and I'm going to remove it. And so guys, we are proceeding to the other side to make the pizza. So let's go. So guys, this is our pizza maker. So let's just preheat it as we go to prepare the dough here. Like, let's preheat it. It's on. And here is my dough is ready, as you can see. And here are what I'm going to coat my pizza with. And so let me just make the dough into the, like, kuroll kama chapati. Yeah, that is it, the easy language you can use. It's just that I'm going to roll it kama chapati. Then my pizza maker will be hot by that time, and we will make it together, guys. This is my round dough. I've already made it, and I'll now put it in the pizza maker. So there you are. We are going to put it here. Yeah, so it is here, and immediately you put it there. You start putting your coatings. Your first coating, which is the tomato, the mixture of tomato, dania, and onions. Yeah, guys, so we are spreading it everywhere. As you can see, we are spreading our first coating everywhere, and it is already looking so yummy, right? Can you see that? Also, guys, if at all you don't have the pizza cooker, you can use the oven and the pan you use to make the chapatis. So you first cook the bottom side from the pan on the normal heat. Then when the bottom side is cooked, you transfer into the oven, okay? And you proceed with the same procedure as I've done here. There you go, guys. Our first coating is already ready. So let's wait it to cook for a while, and we'll put our meat and everything and our cheese. Yeah. So guys, let's just check together if our pizza is almost there. Oh, it's very hot. We check from the bottom side. If it's cooking, you see, until it is such like brownish, then it will be ready. Meanwhile, it isn't. So let's continue cooking. Guys, it's time that we are adding our meat. Ooh. So you may be wondering, at what time are we supposed to add the meat? But immediately the top side is dry, the top side here is dry, you can add your meat as the bottom side continues to cook, okay? So yeah, we've added our meat. And so let's just spread it so that they can enter all around the whole pizza. I know I nilitumia nyama kidogo, I guess. Never thought it will be this big, but yeah, let's do this. So guys, I've scattered my utu small meat all around my pizza, and here it is, and here it is how they are looking. Ooh, super amazing. I'm loving it. Are you loving it too? As for me, I'm loving it. I didn't see that there was few meat left here, so yeah, I'm just removing them, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the outcome. And so yes, let's continue doing this, guys. Let's continue watching. Guys, let's check if it's time to put our cheese. You see the brownish things that have started to appear. So if at all you see them, you can now put your mozzarella cheese. You can now put your topping. Continue putting your topping, as you can see. Yeah, as you can see. Yes. What do you think about it, guys? Is it that giving? Like, what do you think about it, about the looks, about everything? Is it that giving? Kindly let me know on the comment section. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so that is how it's looking, and we are covering it and let it to melt. Okay, there you go. There you go. So that is how it's looking like. Let's cover it and give it some time to melt. So guys, stay tuned as we cook. We are about there. Guys, hey, can't imagine what the outcome is like. Look, my mozzarella has melted. Everything has melted, and yeah, it's time to remove my pizza and cut it into triangles so that it can be that pizza you've been thinking about. Yeah, so that is it, guys, and thank you for watching. Okay, actually my video is very long, and so guys, I just have to stop it there. My pizza is ready, and I'm going to remove it, cut it, and fill my belly with it. And so guys, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing my content with your friends on your WhatsApp status, and also subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Thank you so much, and let's meet into the next video. Bye. Tululu. Thank you for watching. Nawapenda sana.